Hey guys, what's up? This is Himanshu. So today I'm gonna show you how you can create a awesome logo for absolutely free, and that too with transparent background. And for this we don't need any Photoshop or any advanced tool whatsoever. So the first tool which is coming to your mind is CANVA, but the CANVA has a very big limitation, which is that you can't make your background transparent, especially when you are using the free version. Okay, but I've come across a new tool which by default removes the background for you. So let's see that. Just go to your browser and write here freelogodesign.org. Now here they have an option like you can choose whatever kind of logo you want to make. Like if I scroll down, if I go to this all category option, here I can see the categories. So let's say I want to make some technology type logo, so I'll just click here, and here you can write your name. So I can write my logo name and just click on get started, and here all the logo regarding your name will be populated. So let's say I like this logo, so I'll click here choose. Okay, and now I will change the name here. So I'll click here, I'll go to this text here, and here I will write so let's say I've created this logo. Okay, and you can see the background is by default transparent. Okay, now just click over this download button. Now just click over this free version, and here it will ask you to enter your name and your email ID, and the logo would be sent to your email ID. And here you can see I got the email. Just click here and I can download my logo. Yep, and yes, this logo is of transparent background.